kids, get ready for the funniest dinosaur adventure ever! Today, we're counting down the top 20 funniest looking dinosaurs from the prehistoric world. Some had giant claws, some had silly faces, and others looked like they wore hats. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Nigersaurus. Smile! This dino had over 500 tiny teeth and a wide vacuum cleaner-shaped mouth. Nigersaurus was like a prehistoric lawnmower, sweeping plants off the ground with every bite. Its mouth was so weird-looking, it almost seems like it was built to clean floors. And that wide smile? Hilarious! Number 2. Therizinosaurus. Whoa! What's with those claws? Therizinosaurus had claws longer than a baseball bat, over 3 feet long. It looked scary, but surprise! It was probably a peaceful plant eater. With a tiny head and giant arms, it's like a dino who skipped leg day. Number 3. Mononykus. This tiny armed dino had just one giant claw on each hand. It kind of looks like it's pointing at something all the time. Or maybe it's just trying to press the world's tiniest buttons. Number 4. Nigersaurus. Say hello to the unicorn dinosaur. But instead of a magical horn, Nigersaurus had a crest that looked like a party straw. It stuck right up from its head, like it was always ready for a juice box. Number 5. Pigomastax. Pigomastax was like a parrot with vampire fangs. It had a beak for munching plants and sharp teeth for who knows what. Mix in a fuzzy body, and you've got one strange prehistoric pet. Number 6. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus had bull-like horns, and the tiniest arms in the dino world, even smaller than T-Rex. It looks like it's ready to wrestle, but can't even wave hello. Number 7. Therizinosaurus. Wearing a helmet? Nope, that's just its head. Therizinosaurus had a big crest shape like a bike helmet, and it could honk through it, like a dinosaur musical instrument. Number 8. Incisivosaurus. With giant front teeth like a bunny and a fuzzy little body, this dino was part rabbit, part parrot, all weird. Imagine it saying cheese all the time and actually meaning it. Number 9. Stygimoloch. Spikes, bumps, and a big dome on its head. Stygimoloch looked like a dino from a rock concert. Its name may be hard to say, but its hairstyle is unforgettable. Number 10. Mononykus. This dino's teeth stuck forward like they were trying to escape its mouth. It looks like it's always smiling awkwardly, or ready to sip juice through a straw. Number 11. Amargasaurus. Tall spines down its neck made Amargasaurus look like it had a dinosaur mohawk. Maybe it used them to show off, or just keep cool with a built-in fan. Number 12. Cryolophosaurus. Cryolophosaurus had a funny little bump on top of its head that looked like a wiggly wave. Some dinosaurs had horns or plates, but this one had a big curvy crest right in the middle of its forehead. It made its head look extra silly, like it was always wearing a party wig. Number 13. Coelendrodromeus. Coelendrodromeus was a small dinosaur with soft, fluffy feathers all over its body. It didn't fly, but it looked like a little chicken with a long tail and big eyes. It had tiny arms and funny feet, and when it ran, it probably looked super silly like a fuzzy dino running around in pajamas. Number 14. Cosmoceratops. 15 horns. Cosmoceratops had more head decorations than a Christmas tree. Maybe it was showing off, or just couldn't stop collecting antlers. Number 15. Kentrosaurus. This spiky cousin of Stegosaurus had plates, spikes, and even more spikes. It looked like a walking dino cactus. Don't hug this one. Number 16. Guanlong. An early cousin of T-Rex, Guanlong had a slim body and a wavy crest like a dinosaur at a disco. Small but stylish. Number 17. Halshcaraptor. Part swimmer, part sprinter, part sneaky raptor, this dino was confused but cool. It even had paddle-like arms, like it forgot whether it wanted to fly or swim. Number 18. Baryonyx. With a long crocodile-shaped snout and one huge claw, Baryonyx looked like it was always fishing, badly. Like a dino gone fishing, but forgot the boat. Number 19. Pachycephalosaurus. Bonk! This dino had a dome so thick, it may have used it for headbutts. It's like it wore a hard hat 24/7, just in case of dino accidents. Number 20. Ankylosaurus. The final dino is a fan favorite. Ankylosaurus looked like a turtle tank with a hammer tail. It didn't run, it rolled. Just don't stand behind it when it swings. Wow! That was one wild and wacky journey through the funniest dinosaurs ever. From tiny arms to giant teeth, silly hats to super spikes, these dinos sure made us giggle. Which dinosaur was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And remember, dinosaurs weren't just big and scary, some were just plain funny. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Rexy on more dino adventures. See you next time, explorers. Bye-bye.